After you've integrated your ThriveCart and Flodesk account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to products. This feature is part of ThriveCart Pro Plus users. So if you're not a Pro Plus user, I highly recommend it. I have Pro Plus and it is totally worth every penny. I'll have a link to it down below in the description for you to upgrade. We're going to go to our products tab. Then I'm going to add this to my course, How to Launch Your First Online Course, which is a free course that I'll have for you at link down below if you want to get this course as well. It's totally free. So that will be linked for you. And so we're going to go edit. Then we're going to go to automation. And then we're going to go add rule. Then the main product is purchased. We can do a custom URL or we can now do Flodesk. So we're going to go Flodesk and I want to add them to. So you can do add them to or remove them. I'm going to add them to a segment or a workflow. So I'm personally going to add them to a segment. And then a drop down, all of my segments are here. So I am going to go down to ThriveCart Course Student. And then I'm going to hit save and then save and get URL. You want to make sure you save it after you do that so that it sticks. Now, I personally have it in my Flodesk account that when someone is added to my ThriveCart Course Student segment, they're automatically added to the workflow. So that's how I set it up. So in here, I don't have to also add them to a workflow. I can do only a segment because in Flodesk, I have it set up that when they're added to the segment, then they're automatically added to the workflow. It's automatic. I also have it set up that they're also added to another segment that is Master Entrepreneurship Interested. So I know that if they're interested in this, then they're also going to be interested in this, and I want to tag them in that. And then they go through my funnel here. So that is how you set up the integration with ThriveCart to Flodesk and actually add it to your segments. And so that way you don't have to manually do it or you don't have to use Zapier at all. Next, if you want to see how to increase your sales with your courses, check out this video here where I talk about adding guarantees and the different types of guarantees that you can have to increase sales.